Yo, what's good, YouTube fam? It's your boy Joe Johnson back at it again, bringing y'all some fire content, man. So I'm just giving y'all an update. As y'all know, I've been posting content on YouTube every day, and a part of this challenge was studying Forex every day. And something I wanted to share with y'all, man, is I'm experiencing what I feel like a lot of people experience going into their fitness journey, in terms of overwhelm of information, overwhelm of options, right? A lot of people, when they're going into their journey, they're like, man, should I do keto? Should I do intermittent fasting? Should I eat this? Should I eat that? Should I train like this? Should I go heavy? Should I go light? Should I do calisthenics, right? And I'm kind of having the same experience. Although I have been studying Forex, I've been tempted in starting to think about going into futures trading, and what initially started that is the MetaTrader 4 and 5, the problems with like the brokers, right? And I'm sure this isn't really an excuse or a reason, but the unregulated brokers are essentially being shut down, or not shut down, but not allowed to use MetaTrader 4 or 5 anymore. And I wasn't even necessarily live trading anymore, but basically I follow a couple of people that trade futures, my guy Isaac, and mostly Isaac, and I like what he's doing with his community. And the reason why I'm kind of leaning towards trading futures is because it's a lot like Forex, if not pretty much the same. But I do understand, so I've been doing a lot of research, and I do understand the fact that with Forex, you're able to do basically it's a bit better for growing small accounts due to the smaller, I don't even know how to explain it. Basically, as you do your stop loss, you risk less money, right? I know that there's in futures, there's the mini futures where it'll be $2 or $1 per pip, or per whatever, per lot, not lot, per pip. I forget what they called it in futures, but I'm just going through basically fuck, should I do this? Should I do that? And I know that it's important to stick with one strategy. I know it's important to, pick a strategy, pick a mentor, and stick with it, and I feel like I just haven't found a mentor or community within Forex that I feel like I can really grow with, right? Where with the futures, I feel like if I join Isaac, I'm also like crypto, because I'm a big crypto head, and I know crypto is going to be the future. And I know just like we're trading Forex and currency pairs, we're going to be trading crypto pairs. And I know that I can go on Bybit. I know Bybit, you can't trade in the States, but you can trade, you just basically change your VPN. I had a guy that, put me on with crypto trading. But again, I know the power of mentorship. So I know in order for me to shorten this learning curve and for me to just master a strategy, I have to tap in with the community. I have to tap in with the mentor. It's game changing. It's going to speed up that learning curve. And I don't feel like I have that within Forex. I'm looking for that within crypto. I don't have anybody that I've gravitated towards that are have a strong community and teach crypto trading. So I'm leaning towards futures, and that's mostly because of the fact that there is that mentorship. There's that community that I can grow with every morning doing live trading. Of course it's an investment in self, but I don't mind investing in self. But I just wanted to share this with y'all, because the same way that y'all go through this hamster wheel within your fitness journey, and you're like, fuck, you get some results and you fall off, you get some results and you fall off, you try this, you try that, you fall off. It's bro, get mentorship. Same way that I'm going through it mentally in my head, and I'm using all these YouTube videos, I'm watching futures YouTube videos, Forex versus futures, right? Just like y'all probably watching intermittent fasting versus keto. What's the best way to lose fat? What's the best way to build more? All of that, get mentorship, get that guidance that's going to show you the blueprint. So I'm going to keep y'all posted in terms of what I end up going with. I am tapped in with Swaggy C, my guy Chris, and I know that I do have his course, but it's not it's not a one-on-one mentorship or community right now. I know that he had his his trading lab and things like that, and I think that he's starting a master stream where it's $70 a month, and every day he's going to be live trading. So that's something that I'm looking into, and that's why I haven't pulled the trigger yet on Isaac's futures course, because if Swaggy is going to be doing live every day, then shit, I'm going to tap in with him, you feel me? But yeah, man, I'm just wanted to give you an update. It's been hard. I've been learning a lot. I feel a lot better when looking at the charts. I'm actually like, I crave looking at the charts, even though I'm be watching a lot of videos and grabbing information. I'll be ready to hop on the charts. You feel me? The charts, I still don't have it, of course, mastered, but there's progress, and that excites me. So yeah, I just wanted to tap in with y'all. Whole lot of gang, man. Make sure y'all hit the like, hit the subscribe, and bring y'all through this journey. Transparent with it, you know. I haven't been studying as much as I would like, total transparency, but I have been studying. Yeah, I'm about to grab some food and hit the charts. And the reason why I haven't been studying as much as I want to be studying as well is because, like, I still have a business that I'm running and scaling, right? My money maker, right? I still got bills. I still got, you know what I'm saying, a team. I still got clients. I still have a lot that I'm doing. So it can be challenging. And then I'm still doing YouTube videos every day. So honestly, it's a lot, you know, but I definitely want to be able to just look at charts all day. But I'm like, I gotta, you know what I'm saying? I gotta provide. I gotta continue building. I gotta run ads. I gotta, you know what I'm saying? I get to. I don't gotta, but I get to. Feel me? Still got modeling. Still got agency. Still got a lot, man. I'm gonna grab some food though.